Is it still going to work if your cat leaves a turd so big it looks like a human used the box? Usually it's automatic. Watch this. It takes clean litter and buries the gift before it scoops. This is the game changer. It locks in the smell and dries the mess out so it doesn't turn into a mud pie. My old expensive robot used to paint on walls with poop. I was scrubbing it with paper towels like a crime scene cleaner. It was gross. So I upgraded to this one, which ironically is way cheaper. Safety check. If the cat jumps in, it freezes instantly. Also, this thing is massive. Even a 28-pound Maine Coon can use this. And since it's an open top, your cat isn't trapping themselves in a dog spaceship. It separates the clumps and drops them into this massive 2.6 gallons bin below. For one cat, I empty this once every twice a month. I haven't scooped, smelled, or touched litter in 14 days. I honestly forgot I had a cat. When it's finally full, you just pull this yellow drawstring. It seals the back shut, so you never have to make eye contact with the waste again. It even comes with a litter mat and 8 months of bags included. A bunch of you guys kept asking me which specific model this was since it doesn't smear, so I went ahead and linked the exact one I'm using right there for you.